Today we will discuss two types of meditation. Meditation is discovered by our forefathers, and there are different sects who are teaching meditation. There are lots of meditation techniques, but we can differentiate all these techniques in four types based on its process and its impact on our brain. The first type of meditation is concentrative meditation. By this meditation, we improve attention center in our brain. So we give exercise to our attention center by this concentrative meditation. Second type of meditation is Sakshi Dhyan or mindfulness meditation. By this meditation, we reduce hyperactivity of emotional brain, amygdala. And that's why this second type of meditation is used in psychotherapy. Third type of meditation is visualization. We can change our emotions instantly by visualizing a specific thing or object. And by visualization meditation, it is discovered that we can change neurotransmitters in our brain. So that is third type of meditation. When we imagine and visualize anything, it has effects on our neurotransmitters. And fourth type of meditation is compassion meditation. That is holding transcendental emotions, transcendental feelings like compassion, gratitude, forgiveness. And it also reduces negative bias of our brain. So human brain is negative biased. It is inclined towards negativity. And to change it, compassion meditation helps. Today, we will discuss first two types of meditations. That is concentrative meditation and mindfulness meditation. In concentrative meditation, we choose one single object and pay attention to that object. Our mind will wander. We may have distracting thoughts. That is natural and obvious. When you notice that mind is wandering, you have to again shift your attention to that selected object. You are doing it again and again. And that is the exercise to attention center. When you choose your object and pay attention to it again and again, neurogenesis happens in your attention center, that is dorsolateral prefrontal cortex. So all types of meditation starts with this practice, that choosing an object and paying attention to it. Now in concentrative meditation, the object is to reduce all other thoughts. So it is a selective attention. You want to select the object and pay attention and concentrate it. So Namasmaran is a concentrative meditation where you choose one word, one Nam, and recite it again and again. It is a simplest form of meditation because we have different thoughts, and Nama is also one thought. So you replace all other thoughts by Nama, by one word, and pay attention to that word. And that's why for all spiritual practice, all saints have recommended this Namasmaran. That is a concentrative meditation. Another form of concentrative meditation is focusing on a single sense organ. So Tratak is a concentrative meditation. You choose one single point in front of you and pay attention to it. So that concentrative meditation have different techniques, different types. In Prajapita Brahma Kumari, you focus on a red point or a red lamp. That is also concentrative meditation. Whenever you notice that your mind is distracted, you have to pay attention to that red point. Similarly, you can pay attention to a single sound, like in our SipMind app, we have first audio, and there is a sound of bell. So you have to focus your attention on a single sound. That is also concentrative meditation. Now, ultimate experience of concentrative meditation is trance state, when there are no other thoughts than a single object. It is a trance state. And dhyan lagane, this expectation is to get that trance state. In hypnotherapy also, concentrative meditation is used to get that trance state. Now, there are some bad effects of this concentrative meditation. We will discuss bad effects of every meditation also. So if you are doing this concentrative meditation too much of time, there is a chance that you will reduce your creativity. Because for creativity, you should have different thoughts, different ideas. And by long-term concentrative meditation, you are reducing different thoughts. And that's why it can hamper your creativity. Similarly, in trance state, you don't have awareness about your body, about surrounding. You are focusing on a single object. And that can be a problematic, because you may not notice what is happening in your body or in your subconscious, unconscious mind. But concentrative meditation is used in spiritual progress when you reduce all other thoughts and you can achieve a trance state. A trance state, when you are doing any activity, can name as a flow state. So it is a happiness. And that's why this meditation is practiced by spiritual sages. So you can experience happiness when you reduce all those thoughts. But this is difficult. And in yoga, pratyahar is recommended before this type of meditation. Pratyahar means reducing all other interactions of your sense organs. So you should have virakti. You should not listen anything. You should not see anything. Because whenever we have different experience, we have those types of thoughts when we are trying to meditate. And that's why pratyahar is very much important in concentrative meditation. But to start all meditations, we have to start with concentrative meditation, because the process to paying attention when you notice that your mind is distracted, it's important for all types of meditation. Paying attention to your natural breath movement is also concentrative meditation. Swami Vivekananda has recommended this meditation. So you can pay attention to touch of your breath at below the nostrils or inside of your nostrils. If you are not aware of that touch, you can pay attention to natural breath movement. Breath is coming inside, coming outside, and you can pay attention to that breath movement. So let us experience this concentrative meditation for next 3 to 4 minutes. Close your eyes and pay attention to breath movement. Breath is coming inside, coming outside. You can try to pay attention to below the nostrils, over the upper lip for some time. If you can notice touch of breath, that is air going inside and going outside, you can focus your attention at that smaller part. So in concentrative meditation, you have to reduce your focused area. That is, you are improving your focus. You have to reduce the area to a smaller and smaller region, so you can improve your concentration. So let us try concentrative meditation. Close your eyes and pay attention first to below the nostrils, over the upper lip. And try to notice touch of breath. Breath is going inside, going outside. If you can't notice the touch, you can have deep breath. Take 2 breaths forcefully and notice its touch. And then shift again to natural breathing. If you can notice touch of breath, then focus at that region. If you can't notice, then shift your attention to your chest or abdomen and notice movement of chest or abdomen with breath, natural breath. Breath is going inside, going outside. Try to focus your 100% of attention to a single object. Whenever you notice that your mind has thoughts, focused on breath. Mind will wander, that is natural and obvious. Your job is to noticing when mind is wandering. And paying attention again and again to your natural breath. Thank you. You may open your eyes. So you can practice this type of meditation for 5 minutes, 7 minutes, whenever you have time, focusing on a single object. Now, second type of meditation is Sakshi Dhyan. In our SciPind app, we have 7 audios about this Sakshi Dhyan or mindfulness meditation. So those are different steps of mindfulness meditation. In Sakshi Dhyan, the ultimate objective is to improve in our awareness. What is happening in our body, what is happening in our mind and in surrounding. So for it, we should not focus on a single or smaller object, but we are aware what is happening in our whole body as well as in our mind. So what types of emotions we have in this moment, and is there effect on our body of those emotions? So we are observing interrelation between mind and body. And that's why it is not focused attention. It is open awareness. So this is a very important difference between these two types of meditations. In concentrative meditation, we try to focus on a single and smaller object. In Sakshi Dhyan, we have to keep our attention open to all our body parts, open to our mind, where our attention is going, attention is wandering. So we have to diffuse from our thoughts and feelings and pay attention again and again to our body and observe what is happening in our body because of any thought or any feeling. And second most important aspect of this Sakshi Dhyan is we have to accept what is happening in our body as well as in our mind. And that's why it is named as Sakshi Dhyan or observing self. We are strengthening the third aspect of our self. We have physical self, we have thinking self, that is mind, but we can observe what is happening in our mind. We can observe and accept what is happening in our body. And then we are not mind. You are not body when you are accepting what is happening in your body. And that is the essence of this Sakshi Dhyan. You are strengthening your observing self. You are mindful that you are not only your body and mind. Tattva Jnana. So let us practice cumulative effect of this Sakshi Dhyan for next 10 minutes. I will give instructions. Pay your attention as per those instructions. And if you want to discuss anything of these two, about these two types of meditations, we can again join by clicking that link and discuss. So let us experience second type of meditation, Sakshi Dhyan. Have a relaxed seat. Determine that you will not move your body for next 10 minutes. Close your eyes and pay attention to natural breath movement. Pay your attention to your chest and abdomen. Breath is coming inside, coming outside. Breath movement is one sensation. Now expand your awareness to overall chest and abdomen. And notice, is there any other sensation in this area of your body? Is there anywhere heaviness, pain, burning, bloating? Just notice what is happening in your chest and abdomen. And if you can notice any sensation, don't react to it as bad. Now try to expand your awareness to your whole body, from crown of your head to toes of your legs. Can you notice touch at different points? Could you notice different sensations in your body in this moment? Itching, pain, heaviness. You are observing and accepting your body as a third person, Drashta, Sakshi. Your mind will wander, you may have different thoughts. Get diffused from those thoughts. Don't think with those thoughts. Just notice, my mind has this thought. Okay. Is that thought has any color of any feeling? If your mind has any feeling, it will reflect on your body. So if you have anxiety, pay attention again to your chest and abdomen. And is there anything happening in your chest or abdomen with the thought of anxiety? You may have external sounds. Could you notice different thoughts because of those external sounds? You may listen specific sound and have reactive thoughts in your mind. Just observe the process. Pay attention to your natural breath. Center of your attention is breath movement, but at periphery, you have different body sensations, thoughts and feelings, or sense organ information. And you are accepting what is happening in surrounding, in your body, as well as in your mind. You are not reacting to anything. You are noticing your natural breath. Breath is like a thread of kite, and mind is like a kite. You are paying attention to your attention, where your attention is wandering. What is the interrelation between body, mind, and surrounding? You may notice specific sensation in your body and a reactive thought with that sensation. This is the being mode. You are not doing anything. You are not thinking. You are not reacting, but you are observing natural reactions of your body and mind. Last 2 minutes, try to be aware of your body, whole body. Pay your attention to breath movement. So at the center of your attention, there is a breath movement. But you are not selecting only that focused area. Your attention is wandering and you are noticing where your attention is wandering. Thank you. You may open your eyes.